Alright, I hope everybody can see this. It's the end of 2020. What I'm about to do is something I learned how to do in wilderness. I spent 10 weeks in the middle of Utah. It's a very trying point of my life. Anyways, something that I learned to do was to make fire with some sticks. We were given a shoelace or a shoelace substitute and a saw for about 20 minutes to go find a piece of wood and to make a fire set with. So I'm going to try and give it a go and see if I still got it. It's been about 16 years since I've attempted this. This is the original set that I made out in the field. You can see these were well used. Made a lot of fires with them. These are the spindle, or this is a base. This is our top rock. That divot is from the top of the spindle. We hold it and use it to put the spindle in. That's what makes the fire. I need to sharpen that up a little bit so that it's dull. That goes in here, and you roll it back and forth, and the heat and friction makes fire. You take that, you put it in a nest. This is from Utah. It's been sitting in a bag for 16 years, and make fire. So we'll see if I can get tonight's fire lit like this. Thing I've learned in the wilderness that still carry with me to my day, that despite all of the stuff that we've been through, especially in 2020, the things that matter most are having a roof over your head, water in your bottle, and food. Shelter, food, and water. And if you can get those things, you can and will survive, no matter how trying it may be.